Are you looking for a DevOps opportunity and are you looking it in a reputed company? Here is a right job for you. Motorola is hiring for Junior DevOps Engineer and the job location is Bangalore. And if you look at the job description, you should assist in the setup and the maintenance of CI and CD. You should manage the version control system like Git, and you should work with the containerization and authorization tools like Docker and Kubernetes. You will participate in the cloud monitoring and reporting of the cloud and on-premise infrastructure, like using the tools like Nagios, Grafana, or AWS CloudWatch. And then other things are like you will be developing the automation script, you will be troubleshooting, and other things include like about the system documentation, and you should be assisting in the evaluation of new technologies, and you should support the team in managing the servers, databases, and other resources. So this is the job description for this role. And if you look at the basic requirement for this role, you should have a degree in computer science, engineering, information technology, or a related field. And you should have the familiarity with the software development lifecycle and basic principles of agile methodologies. And you should have the understanding of basic system administration such as Linux or Windows. And you should know the network protocols and services. And you should have the exposure to the scripting languages such as Bash, Python, Perl, or something. And also the basic knowledge of automation tools such as Jenkins, Ansible, Puppet, Chef, and it will be a plus if you know those things. And you should have the eagerness to learn and work with the various technologies and tools. You should have a strong analytical and problem solving skill, and you should have an excellent verbal and written communication skill. And the last thing is you should have the ability to work in a team and contribute to the team effectively. Please try to apply for this job as soon as possible. And if you have any other doubts, please let us know in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it to your friends.